Have you ever wondered if science could stop, or even reverse gray hair? Well, recent research suggests that one powerful antioxidant might hold the key: luteolin. Unlike other compounds tested, luteolin showed a real effect on hair graying. Not just in theory, but in actual experiments. And the best part? It works when applied directly to the scalp. Luteolin is a natural plant-based flavonoid found in foods like parsley and celery. It's already known for its anti-inflammatory and anti-aging properties, but this new study reveals something even more exciting. It may help stop hair from turning gray. In a fascinating study, scientists tested 3 antioxidants on genetically modified mice prone to early hair graying. Only luteolin made a difference. When applied as a topical serum, it significantly reduced gray hairs. Even when taken orally, it slowed the graying process, though higher doses were needed for noticeable effects. To put this into perspective, a human would need to take around 3 grams per day to match the dose given to the mice. Now here's where it gets interesting. These mice had a genetic defect that made them prone to extreme hair graying. So while their hair didn't regain its original color, the same process in humans is much slower and potentially reversible. In fact, studies on humans have already shown natural hair repigmentation is possible, especially when hair cycles are long and healthy. This means luteolin could be a real game changer in preventing or even reversing hair graying over time. So, what's the takeaway? Luteolin works best as a topical treatment, and while oral supplementation also helps, applying it directly to the scalp seems to be far more effective. As research continues, this could lead to a new era of natural hair care solutions, backed by real science. What do you think? Would you try a luteolin-based serum? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more science-backed health and anti-aging discoveries.